Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 13th, 2020. I'm going to talk about Aave, ticker symbol is LEND, paired against Tether on Binance. We definitely need to talk about this particular cryptocurrency because we are noticing some things on the price chart that you all should be aware of. But before we get started, this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and as well join us on all of the social media platforms, even our own website. Just to make it simple, we went ahead and put those links for you in the description of this video. So a lot of the DeFi tokens today is getting wall up, is getting hit hard in the sense of weakness and price going lower. You know, it's just that simple. We did a video for LEND the first time we did it back on August the 26th, 2020. And we didn't put in a forecast. You guys can see right here that we didn't play a forecast into the market. Wanted to see how strong the market was going to be for LEND, for Aave. And today we can actually address some things that is occurring into the market. So before we get started, take a look at that ascending line. Okay, since our video, which was on the 26th of August, right, we saw the weakness play out in Aave. The market was still following and trending above that ascending line. And we hugged that ascending line, I would say, from September 3rd all the way until the 9th of September. And then the market in Aave, you guys can see it started on the 9th of September. The trap, he tried to increase the value of Aave above that ascending line. But on yesterday, he was successful. But then again, today, he's not. So that was a false move. He tricked a lot of people into thinking that Aave was strong. He tricked a lot of people into thinking that Aave was going to be moving higher in price and trade above that ascending line. We can use that to our benefit, rest assured. So let's take a look at Aave now on the weekly time frame. So the market in Aave, from a weekly perspective, is just in a consolidational range. That's it. Don't expect nothing more out of that. You guys can see that the consolidational range is between 50 cents for support all the way up there around 75 cents for restriction. So expect the market in Aave to trade within those two price points. Monthly time frame, given that we are at the midpoint in September, we got to keep a little bit closer eye on this month of September right here. We need to keep our eyes on it, keep our eyes open on the volume to see if it increases, or will we see more volume than what we saw in August and July. Okay, so keep that in mind. So again, being down 12.62% in Aave right now, are you really expecting this market to go higher? Given that strength that came through yesterday and the weakness today, they cancel each other out. Take a look at Aave on the 4-hour chart. You can literally see here that the demand in Aave completely erased and it is now gone. Every 4-hour price bar, the volume increased. So we're definitely seeing agreement into the market going lower. That's that simple. So now the question that you need to figure out, that you need to answer is, okay, how low will the trap take the market in Aave then? HueFin News already told me that the market is weak. So where would he pump the brakes? Where would he stop the market from going lower? Because 75 cents was the first area restriction. Now 70 cents definitely is going to be a harder area in the market for Aave to break to the upside. Don't expect the market in Aave to go higher until we see it break 70 cents. Don't make it difficult. It's just that simple. So now we got a restriction area at 70 cents. So considering that the market has shown itself of being rejected at this ascending line, we understand that's strike one for weakness. Strike two is that the market broke below 70 cents for restriction. So we already got two strikes against those who wants to take the market higher in Aave. So what we're going to do, we're going to change this ascending line and hold it for restriction going forward. Okay. just bring this in closer on the daily real quick, because the 4-hour chart is definitely showing itself as restriction around 70 cents. Okay, so we got the market restriction at 70 cents. Done. We're not going to expect the market in Aave to go higher until we see price break up above 70 cents. It might be, you know, I might get some people to say that this area right here might be rejection as well, around 72.5. So I'm gonna hold it there. Okay, so 72.5 cents in around that area. But how low can the market in Aave really go? You can see the initial area is going to be right there around 65 cents. Okay, he's going to try to hold the market around 65 cents, but based off the daily volume today and the spread, that doesn't look like that's going to hold. Now we still got 7 hours and 51 minutes left to conclude this trading day, but if we had only 15 minutes left to conclude today's trading, that 65 cent will not be holding. The next area is going to be around 60. So we're still looking for the market in Aave to go lower, albeit I'm not saying that the market's going to crash, so just relax. The market gyrates. It's a market. It's free market. You get to determine where you come in and buy. You get to determine when you come in and sell. Right now, we're going to expect the market in Aave to continue to go lower. Initially, support is going to be around 60 cents. But if we continue to see the DeFi space insert more weakness, then we're going to come all the way back down to 55. All right. So for what we're going to do on this video, we're going to play a weakness forecast in the market for Aave. So around 72.5 cents restriction. And we're going to TP the market in Aave at 60 cents first. Okay, so that's still about 9.5% movement to the downside from where we're at. Now, granted, the market's going to recover from where we're trading at currently. So if we do not see the market in Aave close above 69 cents, then that weakness is definitely still going to play out in the market in Aave. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down to 55 ultimately in this space in the market for Aave. And just so you know, this is strike 3 right here. If we conclude the way we look now on Aave, we break this ascending line, that's strike 3. It's just that simple. So that's it. It's your turn. Where do you see the market in Aave going? Give us your thoughts, your forecast, your prediction. Give us your TP price. We told you ours, which is around 60 cents initially, and around that particular area, 60.5. Ultimately, if the weakness continues, 55 is not going to be a problem. Okay, so give us yours. Leave us a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you all on our next video.